Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get BBQ sauce out of clothes. First, act quickly. Gently scrape off any extra sauce using a dull knife or spoon to prevent spreading. Next, turn the garment inside out and rinse the stained area under cold, running water. This helps flush the sauce out of the fabric. Then, apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent directly onto the stain and gently blot it with a clean cloth. Remember, avoid rubbing, as this can push the stain deeper into the fibers. After the initial treatment, you'll want to pre-treat the stain more thoroughly. You can use a commercial stain remover or create a paste with baking soda and a little water. Apply this to the stain and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to break down the sauce. For tougher stains, soak the entire garment in a basin of cold water for at least 30 minutes. Before moving on, always check the stain to see if it has lightened significantly. Now it's time to wash the garment. Always follow the care label instructions for your specific fabric. Use your usual laundry detergent and select the hottest water temperature that is safe for the material. This helps to thoroughly clean the stained area. It's crucial not to put the garment in the dryer if any trace of the stain is still visible, as the heat can permanently set it. Instead, air dry the item completely and reevaluate. If a stubborn stain remains, don't give up. For white or color-fast fabrics, you can try a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water, or even a bit of lemon juice. Apply it, let it sit for up to 15 minutes, then rinse. You may need to repeat the entire pre-treatment and washing process several times for very tough stains. For delicate items, or if you're unsure, professional dry cleaning is always a safe and effective option. Remember to test any new solution on a hidden spot first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.